Hello and welcome to KnowledgePoint's Order Tool instruction video. This video will talk you through how to order your workbooks. You should have received an email with your access details including a temporary password. Go to the KnowledgePoint's Order Tool website and at the login screen add in your email address and temporary password. You will then get a password change prompt. Once you are in, select the online order tool and you will then see your home page, and this home page will change as you start searching and using OrderPoint. You can see part or incomplete orders and you can view all the available workbooks by clicking here. You can search on keywords to find the workbook you want using the item code or ID if you know them. Alternatively, use the filters to find your workbook by level, language or topic. This will bring up a list of all available workshops that match your search. Click to view the item and add to the basket. When you have selected the workbooks that you need to purchase, you can view your order. You can alter the number of books you need for each workshop and then confirm your order by checking out. Each workbook will be accessed via a unique voucher code which you will give to all of your participants. You will need to enter your own email address for the voucher codes to be sent. Please make sure this is your email address or the person who will be distributing your voucher codes and not your end user. Next, enter all your delivery options, the purchase order information if needed, your customer reference and order reference. Please also enter the course start date via clicking on the calendar at the right hand side. Confirm all your details here. You will then get your confirmation email. Thanks for watching and now go ahead to My Live Book to access your workbook.